Alright, still practicing with box division. Remember, after we finish this, you can choose whichever method works best for you. I went ahead and showed you both methods since there's only two and they kind of flow along the same way. Multiplication, each strategy was its own creation, so I couldn't really show all three at the same time. With division, you can choose whichever one works best for you. Either way. Alright, so we have 99 divided by 2. So you're going to draw your box. Make sure it's a decent sized box because you're going to have your subtraction going on in here also. So make sure you're able to keep this neat and organized. Okay, if I'm looking what goes inside the house, does the 2 or the 99 go in? Think about which one is your dividend. Dividend goes in, that's 99. How many digits do you have in 99? You have 1, 2. So you're going to split your box in half. And you're going to put a digit in each column. Remember, it always goes inside for your dividend. Nothing can go up here yet because this is where your answer needs to go. And then 2 is our driver. He's going to go outside. Okay. So we have 99 divided by 2. First step, we're going to do 9 divided by 2. How many groups of 2 can you make out of 9? So in this case, with our top-bottom chart, we're looking at our first chart here. How many times can 2 go into 9? I don't see 9. 10's too much. I've got to go to 8. So if I look at 8, I can make 4 groups of 2. So my 4 is going to go on top. That's how many equal groups of 2 I can make out of 9. Ma multiply 4 times 2 gives me 8. After ma multiply, I have to sister subtract. So 9 minus 8 gives me 1. And then brother, you're still using brother. It's just not bringing down. You're just kind of carrying him over. So your 1 is going to go next door to 9 to make that 19. So now you're looking at your second column. Think of it this way. Like when you finish with this whole column after you subtract, you're done with this one. So now you always focus on the next column over. So 2 into 19. How many groups of 2 can you make out of 19? If I look at my bottom numbers, I don't see 19, but the closest that I can get is 18. So that's 9 times. My 9 is going to go on top. That's how many equal groups of 2 I can make out of 19. 2 times 9 gives me 18. Then sister subtract 19 minus 18. 9 minus 8 gives me 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. I don't have another column over here to bring this to, so then my remainder is 1. If I'm trying to divide 99 and 2, I have a quotient of 49 R1. I've got to check it. So far I see that I was able to make 49 groups of 2. So I'm going to do the inverse of division, and I'm going to multiply 49 times 2. 9 times 2 gives me 18. My 8 goes down. My 1 comes up. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 1 gives me 98. That's the opposite of my division. Now I need to do the opposite or inverse of my subtraction, which is addition. So I'm going to add my remainder of 1 to 98. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus nothing, 9. So if I have the same number here that I started with, or if you want to look at your original problem here, you know that your quotient 49R1 is correct.